we are again. Craig's come over for another trip. Fiona let him come out, which is a bit of a surprise.
I took off without telling Mackenzie.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
What do you reckon she was? She's school captain, but mate. Can't do that sort of stuff when you're school captain. Anyway, sun's just about to crack it. We're getting a few scarred. Lost one down the bottom. We'll find him. Anyway, we'll get bait. Then we'll go and catch him. Hey, Door.
That's it.
Hopefully. I'll put you where they are and you will just have to catch them. Okay. First spot. A little bit late for the tide, but what are you thinking there, Matt?
Hey?
What are you thinking?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Oh, cracking big sweetie.
Beautiful.
On the livey. Do you muck around with it or just say, no, I want that?
Wanted it straight away.
Beauty. It's a little bit lumpier than what I thought it would be, but I think it'll slowly come good. Hopefully. I don't think I promised anyone glass out conditions, but some good weather would be nice for a change. It's been ordinary. Alright, have a quick look. That's a proper one. Yeah, we see that a little bit. Someone's trying to tell me it's barrow trauma, but I'm not 100% convinced on that one. That's a good fish. Yeah, good work. Get it on. What are you winning, Door, or what? Yep. Oh, he reckons he's winning. Oh, you're going to be the net man, are you?
Not if it's a shark.
No, it's not a shark. You're not even saying the S word.
Don't say that word.
Geez, he wasn't down there very long, Matt. Oh no, that's just air coming up. I thought that was... Is it a massive sweetie again? Oh, what the size of that? Oh, he's not beat yet. Holy jolly. Have a crack at that. Might just drop him straight into this tray, eh? Drop the whole net in there if you want.
Oh, yep.
Hold him up for a sec. Oh, leave the hooks in, then I can get fishing then. Instead of trying to pretend to be some sort of cameraman that I'm not. Bit higher. Someone's had a crack at him. Oh, you're worried about getting hooked, that's why you wanted to get them hooks out, was it?
Yes, exactly that.
Yeah, now you'll be right, surely. Bit higher, out of the shade. Excellent. That's a belter, mate.
Nice, eh?
Good work. The panic station's definitely set in there for him, Matthew. He's like, oh. Bang. Where are you gonna find? Sorry for the dodgy camera work, people. Oh. Sorry, I just don't want to catch the wrong one. Yeah.
Ready?
Beautiful little eater.
Yum.
At least you're starting to pull your weight a bit now.
Yeah. Thought I'd better do something then.
Got him?
Yep.
Yeah, you could just see. He just started going.
Crunched,
I must have looked just at the right time and the fish goes. Oh yeah, he definitely smashed it to hook up like that. You got a bit of
shit in there.
This morning's breakfast still in there. Oh, nice little
that.
eater, that one.
Beautiful. I was wanting a trout.
And you got one.
Got one.
Is that it? Is that how it works? You just want something and you get it?
Well, I hope so.
It doesn't work like that for me.
Doesn't work like
What's happening, Matt?
Not sure what this is. Fish.
It's a fish, you reckon?
Big trout. All red.
I bet.
No. You can.
So it's a big trout red.
Big trout red, yeah, it's half.
With a big sweetie.
Another one. Another big sweetie.
Oh, you'll have the hook jammed in him now. You got him. Hold him up for a sec there. Boyo. Not a good one. Not as big as the last one you got, but
Yeah,
she's
scales are intact this time.
still good. Keep going, mate. You're doing well. First. Yeah, have a go at that, eh?
Look at that. That's a monster.
Wouldn't you be just absolutely stoked with that? Unless you caught that one, mate.
Look at that. That's a beautiful trout.
I'm pretty sure mine's bigger.
I think so.
Yours is only a trout. Like this is sweet. Let's see. I'm nearly fitting down.
Yeah.
That's a lovely fish.
Look at that.
Beautiful trouty. Oh, look. Snapper. Oh, well, the closure's on.
Yours, yeah.
You may as well have a look at your little fish that you got. Nice tusky. Oh, nice Moses. And snapper out of season, you got to let him go, Matthew.
He's happy about that.
They're overrated anyway, I reckon.
I haven't caught a snapper in a long time.
Well, he's only a squire anyway.
Yeah. That'd be a snapper, eh? They finally moved in. Did you get any last time?
We're not really going to get in the way you fish a great deal, I don't think.
Oh, right.
And definitely all action stations at this spot. Nice trouts and big sweeties, big tuskies, Moses perch, and another big sweetie. Oh, Spango, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if he'll make it. 45. He'll be close. At least he's only a little one. The bigger ones aren't the best, but if he makes size, it'll be pretty good. We don't catch a heap of these, but we normally do. The ones we get are in late autumn or winter. I'll have a quick look. Little Spango, I don't think he'll quite get there. If he does, we'll probably keep him. The smaller ones like that are alright, except when they piss and do poos like in the boat. Oh yeah, got 490 or something.
Yeah, 490.
Yeah, alright, we'll just make sure we bleed him good and brain spike him. And... bite it again, mate.
What's that coming up here on?
What was it? Armour.
Oh, yeah.
And a bit quiet at that last spot, so we've done a bit of a shift Haven't fished here for a while. I don't know whether you would have fished up with us this way, Matt. We haven't been up here for.
What's that?
I don't know whether you would have fished up at this spot with us before.
Had a nice little sweet lip.
Geez, they've been the standout today, haven't they?
Yeah.
Good work.
Surprising. They're back.
I finally did something. I caught a good fish. Only been all day, but
Beautiful.
I'll take that.
Definitely.
That's about the only thing we didn't have in the box.
Yeah, that's the only thing I think.
Everything else we had pretty well.
Yeah.
I was saying how quiet it was getting, and then it's nice and peaceful. I was just kicking back, solving the world's problems, and Craig hooked up.
Just a little one.
Just a little one. Geez, I'd hate to see if you hooked a big one. Was that livey or dead bait?
It was a dead live.
Oh, is that your little mate that you had in your blue bucket there?
See, the bucket, the little pool was worth it.
Oh, it's a red too. Oh yeah! Whoa, I reckon he'll probably make it. He'll go pretty close. Must have just decided that they wanted to bite. Camera work hasn't been the best today. No Scorsese stuff here for me.
I'm just trying to keep up with the skipper.
Jeez, it's not hard.
With the skipper.
You've had 2 good trips in a row now, eh?
Yeah,
You'll be lucky to get invited back, but I've got to buy me fingerlings off someone. So that's a great fish, mate. Beauty.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Beauty, Mary caught. He's going to make it. First livey he drops down, he catches a nice fish. I don't know what these other 2 blokes have been doing. Is that what you got on your livey?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice work. Well, we're going home now.
Beautiful.
What a day. Good day, Max?
Terrific. Fantastic. Good day. Very good day.
Oh, we got 2 reds, 2 nice trout, a heap of sweeties, tuskies, hussa, Mary cod,
10 different species.
10 different species.
Yeah.
Sorry, environment. Anyway, we'll run back in now. The weather's not too bad. Probably an hour in and we'll be back home.
Beautiful.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.